In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload custom pictures and artworks to your Steam profile. Custom artwork is one of the best ways to personalize your Steam profile and make it stand out from the crowd. Whether you want to showcase your own creations or upload a custom design that represents your style, Steam allows you to add artwork directly to your profile in just a few simple steps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. As always, keep your account information secure and avoid saving your login details on shared computers. Next, locate your profile name near the top right corner of the Steam window. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile, where you can customize different sections of your account. Once your profile has loaded, look for the Artwork tab and open it. This section displays all of the artwork you've previously uploaded. If this is your first time using it, the page may be empty, but you'll still have the option to upload a new image. Click the Upload Artwork button to begin creating a new artwork entry. When Steam asks whether the artwork is associated with a specific game, choose the Not Game Specific option if you want to upload a custom image that isn't connected to a particular title. Next, enter a title for your artwork. Choose something descriptive or creative that represents your image and helps identify it within your profile. After that, click the Upload option and browse your computer to select the image you want to use. Before uploading, make sure your file meets Steam's supported format and size requirements so the process completes without any issues. You'll also have the opportunity to add a description. This is optional, but it can provide additional context about your artwork, explain its inspiration, or simply give viewers more information about what they're looking at. Finally, choose the visibility setting for your artwork. You can decide whether you want it to be visible to everyone, only your friends, or keep it private. Select the option that best matches your preference before completing the upload. That's all there is to it. You now know how to upload custom pictures and artworks to your Steam profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.